Watch the girls' summer problems in our new video. It is not so easy to look stunning in the summer heat, but sometimes it's just necessary. Girls, look what a cute guy! Hello, handsome! Phew, he's gone. We can relax now. That's it. I'm ready. I can do it. Yoo-hoo! This is nice. Oops, that's mine. It happens to everyone. Yes, we'll go shopping tomorrow. Meet me at 11? Deal. See you tomorrow. Oh no, the whole screen is covered with my makeup again. It's good that no one saw this. Hi, Jasmine. Be at the club tonight? Cool. What a wonderful day. The weather is great. Wow, it's just very hot. What? Oh no! Not that! Every girl dreams of a perfect summer tan, but this dream is most often crushed by harsh reality. No! Yay! It's summer tomorrow! I've been trying so hard to make my body look really nice, and I did it! Oh, I think I ate too much yesterday. No, this is too hard. Well, hello, June. It looks like now I have to lose weight by the fall. It is so hot today. Ouch! It's burning! It seems that the air temperature is at all records high. It's just unbearable. Well, now it looks and feels like I was doused with water. Next time, I'll go for a walk at night. Having fun in the pool in the summer heat is especially nice. What was that? Look what I have! Oh, you! Well, I'll take revenge on you now. Let's throw them away. Yeah, now we are square. Looks like it was a bad idea. Just stop talking and find our clothes. Ow! What a hot beach! Maybe I can sit here? Oh no, I can't! Ouch! Is this Summer kidding me? The strong wind is one of the most common problems for girls. I knew that I've been doing my hair for 2 hours for nothing. Oh, come on! Stop blowing my hair, you nasty wind! Oh, my shoes are covered in dust. Oh no! Again? That's better. Why can't you just stay clean? Ouch! It seems like I've got something in my shoe. Well, just as always. Not bad. Where else can I take a selfie? Wow, it's so beautiful over there. Oh no, I got stuck. That's all right. It's not that easy to stop me. Great. Oh, there is one more location. Every girl wants to look spectacular in any situation. It is a pity that not all wishes are destined to come true. Oh, it's so hot! Yes, I got you. There's nothing to breathe. Yes, don't worry. Everything will be perfect. It's a deal. See you soon. Long-lasting makeup in hot weather is quite a challenge. I really like this movie. I told you it would be interesting. And you were right. I love summer so much. What about you? Oh! Me? Well, yes, summer is good. Oh no, my dress! What a shame! The sun is shining so gently today. And it's not hot outside at all. It looks like I can already take off my shades. Yay! The sun went down already. Now that's better. This is great. I love to have a rest near the swimming pool. This is pure paradise. Aha! Emily, you have ruined everything! Another summer problem that each of us faces is mosquitoes! I hate these little vampires! This itching is so bad! My poor legs! What's stopping you from enjoying the summer? Write your answer in the comments below this video. Did you like our video? Then like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell. See you!